Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X10 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the security option. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down to the encryption and credentials option. And as you can see, almost at the very bottom we've got the option we're looking for, so to clear credentials. Let's tap on it simply and confirm it with OK. If you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, as you can see, we'll have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, we cannot tap on this option again, which is an evidence that we removed the certificates. So actually that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your Nokia X10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.